Buenas noches. Adiós.
Put these lights up. Those lights down. These lights up. I haven't flown in my dreams since I was 11. So now I sleep and I fly just to get even. Back home I drive with no lights on. Whenever there's a full moon, and I tend to sing along when I don't know the tune. I got one hand on the wheel, one's on the coffee, and I'm on the phone still talking to you. I hope to remain so severely talented for another dangerous mile or two. Oh yeah. And I'm sitting well, I'm doing it now. Casey's looking down on me. When I was a child, my dad had taught me how to steer the car with my knee. And it hasn't felt right since he left this world one rainy night. All the endless hours now appear so finite. All the endless hours now appear so finite. Here in the shadow of an old dead volcano, you can almost smell it. When the mountain used to speak, and the sulfur used to reek. Here in the shadow of an old dead volcano, Picacho tea. Picacho